A car accelerates from rest to a speed of 108 kilometers an hour in 5 seconds. What is its acceleration in meters per second squared? We were given 108 kilometers per hour, and we want to convert them to meters per second. First, we're going to convert the kilometers to meters by multiplying by 1,000 meters every 1 kilometer. Here, our kilometers will cancel, as one's on top, one's on the bottom. Then we'll convert the hours to seconds, but multiplying by 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Now solving this, we see that our kilometers cancel and leave us with meters, and our hours will cancel and leave us with seconds. This gives us 30 meters per second. Now we can calculate our acceleration. To do this, we'll use the equation of acceleration is equal to the change in velocity over the change in time. Plugging this in, our final velocity was 30 meters per second, and our initial velocity was 0 as we started from a rest. Our change in time is 5 seconds. Solving this, we get that our acceleration is equal to 6 meters per second squared. The seconds end up squared because we are dividing a fraction. This is equivalent to saying the meters per second times 1 over a second, and this is equal to meters per second squared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.